welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Andrea from Wig Studio One, for providing me this piece to do a review on. She also offers a support group. It's through Facebook. You can search it under Wig Studio One, Wig and Topper Support Group. We would love to have y'all there. This wig review today is over Henry Margu's Ava, and she is in 626H. And it is described as dark brown with golden blonde highlights. And that's exactly what this is. This color reminds me of when you would get your hair frosted with dark brown. You had dark brown hair and then you put light frost on it. That's what this color reminds me of. Let's take a look at Ava's cap. She's open wefted. She has a full mono top, which means you can part her any direction. She has a lace front, but now let me show y'all something. Her lace, here's her lace front, right? But look how much lace you get. And this goes to the ear tabs. See that? There it is right there. And then they have this little poly strip with the adjuster inside. It's thin. It feels like it'd be really thin for glasses. She has Velcro adjusters and an extended nape. All right. Let's see what she looks like. She's really cute. She's really pretty. She's a very, very pretty wig. I wouldn't say that this would be for every day. She's a lot of hair. I would definitely pick her for special occasions or updos. Here is this color. You see the blonde highlights on top of the dark brown. Look at this curl. Layers. Here's her lace front. Pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, guys, let's go outside and look at her in natural lighting. I just want to give a big shout out to Dale from Canada. I just want to let you know how amazing your wife is, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, I hope this helped, and like and subscribe.